Just want to run through a quick weekly analysis on Euro USD. This is a very interesting week because most traders are actually looking to long this market, where personally I'm looking to short this market based on my rules. So starting on the weekly time frame here, we do have this weekly fair value gap zone that price has been rejecting over the last few weeks. Now this zone is very significant because it is within a discount of this current expansion that we are trading within. Price has then retraced and found support in the weekly bullish fair value gap zone, and price is just consolidating between these two areas of interest at the moment. So dropping onto the daily time frame, I was definitely looking to long this market last week as we did drop below this liquidity to the downside. So I was expecting a pretty heavy upside reaction once we tapped the weekly fair value gap high, which we never got that upside reaction. So that was a very bearish signal for me. And then around mid last week, we did actually close below this daily bullish order block. Now this was a very significant signal because that is actually the second daily order block that we have closed below. So if you look up higher, we have this bullish order block here that price disrespected, and then we have the secondary bullish order block that price closed below. And then also purely based on liquidity principles, price has sold off, collected liquidity below the lows. It has now retraced into the efficiency of that move. So naturally, I'm going to anticipate price to seek opposing liquidity below this low. So that'll be my basic high time frame outlook for this week. And now dropping onto a 4-hour time frame to identify the key zones I want to actually be entering from. The current 4-hour range that I'm looking at is between this high and this low. And then the bearish zone that I'm going to be using is this bearish break block, which we did respect on Monday's trading. So going into the day, I will be looking for lower time frame confirmations from this 4-hour point of interest to look for a sell-off either into this weekly fair value gap high or all the way down into these daily lows as previously mentioned.